Here's a great opportunity. This 2017 Volvo XC60 T6 Dynamic Sport Utility is a local trade with a clean Carfax, dealer service history, and a recent service valued at over $850. It also comes with original books and up-to-date Georgia emissions. This is a dealer-certified pre-owned vehicle, backed by a 3-month or 3,000-mile quality plus warranty and a 5-year maintenance plan at a discounted price. Ask about our lifetime warranty upgrade at the time of sale. The recent service includes spark plugs, filters, front brake pads and rotors, pre-delivery inspection, and fresh oil change, ensuring it's ready for the road. Visit us today and experience the luxury and reliability of this 2017 Volvo XC60 T6.